Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that after the market opening there has not been much movement on the gold USD chart. Today I will not be stretching the video because I have already done a detailed video on gold USD on Saturday. I'll try to keep the video short. Okay, so let's get started. So the market has opened and you can see that market is still trading here, not much movement. And if you look at the chart of DXY, you can see that yes, as expect as per expectation, DXY is still trading above the trend line, taking support, and still DXY is still in a very crucial position. So just keep in mind and just remember, DXY is just standing at a weekly resistance level, and if DXY crosses the level, goes up from here, then definitely gold will go down. And in case DXY fails to cross the weekly resistance and goes down, then we will see buying on the gold USD chart. So just remember, we have got 4 trading opportunities on gold USD chart, and if possible, do not mess with these rules, because if you love your money, if you love your hard-earned money, then please try to trade on these 4 trading opportunities only. First of all, we do not want this trend line because this trend line is not a very strong one. Okay, so first trading opportunity on gold USD chart is if market bounces from the 1740 to 1750. Yes, 1750 to 1740 is a support, strong support. If it bounces from this level, we can go for buy. Last week we have seen that whenever market has come down to this level, we made money. So this is our still the first trading opportunity, and in case it goes up, then we can get a good opportunity to short the market at 1780 to 1790 zone. So if market reverses from this particular level, you can short the market. That is your second trading opportunity. Shorting or selling gold at 1780 to 1790 zone if it reverses. On the other hand, if DXY breaks the level and gold starts going down, you will get an opportunity to short gold below 1740 to 1750 level. So if gold USD breaks the level of 1740, you can short the market. Just make sure that US dollar is also in uptrend. So whatever you do, just make sure that you are also looking at the chart of DXY US dollar, because when dollar goes up, gold goes down. When the gold goes down, when dollar goes down, gold goes up. That's it. And on the other hand, our last trading opportunity is buying. Okay, buying at 1728 to 1717. So if market comes down to this level and bounces from here, you can click on the buy button. Okay, so these are the 4 trading opportunities, and if you are looking for the detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I posted on Saturday. Okay, because the setup has not changed on gold. 1780 to 1790 is the resistance. This is the extreme support, and on the other hand, we have got 1740 to 50 as also the support for the market. Okay, watch the video. That video, you will get to know everything in detail. Bye bye. Take care.